If you're running email marketing campaigns inside of HighLevel and all of your campaigns, all templates, and sequences are living in one big list, this is the video you need to watch. Nested folders are available across campaigns, templates, and sequences in email marketing area. You can create folders inside folders, actual folder hierarchies. So your assets are organized by campaign type, lifecycle stage, whatever makes sense for how you work. And it supports more than 5 levels of nesting if you really need to go deep. Here's the scenario we're working with. You're a social media management company managing 3 campaigns for different offers. All of your campaigns are stacked in one list. You need to build out a folder structure so each campaign has their own space, broken down by the type of content like sales promos, abandoned cart, and onboarding. That's what we're building. Let's go. Go to marketing in your sub account left-hand menu, then emails. Nested folders work the same way across all 3 areas: campaigns, templates, and sequences. I'm going to start in campaigns, but once you see how it works, you'll apply the same logic to the other 2. At the main campaign screen, click Create Folder. This is your top level folder. For our scenario, I'm creating sales emails. These are the broad buckets that everything else is going to live in. For this purpose, I just need one. Name it, save it, and repeat for each one that you need. Now I'm going to open our top level folder. Inside of it, I'll click Create Folder again. This creates a subfolder nested inside the parent. For our sales emails folder, I'm creating 3 subfolders: Done for You offer, DIY offer, and course. And you can go deeper if you need to. Say your Done for You offer folder needs to be broken down by season. We'll open it and create subfolders inside it for Q1 launch. Now we can see our structure in the breadcrumb as sales emails, Done for You offer, Q1 launch. The breadcrumb at the top will always show you exactly where you are in the structure. If you already have campaigns sitting in that flat root list, you don't have to rebuild them. Go to the email, hit the 3 dots on the right, and click Move to Folder. Select the destination folder and confirm. It moves in place and nothing about the asset itself changes. It's just organized now. Same thing works for moving entire folders. 3-dot menu on the folder, move folder, pick the new parent and confirm. And the breadcrumb will update to reflect the new location. Once you've got the structure built in campaigns, go do the same thing in templates and sequences. The folder logic is identical across all 3. Mirror the same top-level structure, same campaign names, same category names, so you always know where to look regardless of which area you're in. Folders are organization only. They don't affect how emails send, how analytics are reported, or how permissions work. Access is still managed through user roles. Moving something to a folder doesn't change anything about how it functions. But if you delete a folder, the assets inside it will get deleted, so make sure you move those first. And search works across all folders. You don't have to know exactly where something is filed to find it. That's nested folders for campaigns, templates, and sequences. Create top-level folders at root, add subfolders inside them, and then move in your existing assets and mirror the same structure across all 3 areas. If you've been running email for multiple campaigns out of one account and everything's been a pile, this is exactly how you fix it. Takes a couple minutes to set up, but saves a lot of scrolling and confusion from that point forward. Kylie here again. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, we would really appreciate if you liked and subscribed, because we do post new content all the time on new features that HighLevel has, feature deep dives, as well as how-tos based on requests from our audience. If you have questions or want a specific video made, please put them in the comments. We do reply, and we will take video requests as we see them. And if you want to actually access our full vault of HighLevel how-to videos, deep dives, Q&As, etc., and have a monthly troubleshooting call live with us, make sure you check out the link for Hacking HighLevel below. And if you want a more customized version of HighLevel, we actually own ServiceFox as well, which is our specific solution for contractors and local service providers inside of the HighLevel format, with some custom options that we dropped in there to make it easier than ever to run your local service business. We'll see you in the next one.